Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. Quick update of one of my plays I did on Friday right before close. I did actually end up buying that RIOT call just because I thought that I did think that Bitcoin was actually going to break that 24K level, which it actually just did, right? It actually just broke that 24K level. You guys can see it right there. So I do think it's gonna keep going up. It might stay it might consolidate around this level right here. Might consolidate around like this level or maybe a little bit higher. I think it's retesting right now this level and it's going to stay around that level. But I do think that Bitcoin, I do think that it's going to stay consistent towards, between 23 the high 23,000 level and like the low 24,000 level. But it actually did break it, which is pretty amazing. Yeah, just updating you guys. I bought it right before market close because I did think that Bitcoin was going to break the 24K, which it did. And now we just kind of wait for Monday.